Oklahoma's tribal nations are a $23.4 billion economic engine improving communities across the state. A new economic research study breaks down the numbers.
Every day, of course, we're seeing the impact of the revenue that we generate in our own communities, and so the study did a great job of effectively communicating the significance of the contributions that the tribes make here in Oklahoma.
I'm very excited to see the numbers. The numbers show a great deal of how tribes are contributing to the state as a whole.
We actually know the economic impact because we live there and we can feel it and see it. But it is very heartwarming to see it reflected in the actual data.
I think my reaction is that when I go around telling people about our impact, I was actually kind of underselling it a little bit.
I think what's really interesting about the study is I think we all know the impact that the tribes have culturally. Right, we're very proud of Oklahoma, the Native American history that we have. But to dig deep and to put the numbers on paper, a $23 billion impact is significant.
Well, of course, the amazing numbers. I mean, a huge contribution to the economy of the state. A rising tide lifts all boats is not just a cliche, it's true.
Sometimes people ask me, are you surprised about anything in this particular study? And the reality is I'm not surprised about anything. The tribes have been contributing enormous amounts to the Oklahoma economy since I first did the study in 2012, and that growth has continued and it's been persistent.
But the numbers aren't the whole story. Tribes also reinvest in Oklahoma communities like no other industry in the state, improving vital infrastructure for economic growth.
Those dollars don't just stay within the tribes, they spread all over the state. Infrastructure, water, broadband infrastructure that they're putting, those benefit all citizens of Oklahoma. So when you got a little economic engine that's doing really well, what do you do to help it do better? Because every Oklahoman benefits from that.
We've always supported local communities, especially in the Perkins area, in the Chandler-Wellston area. Two perfect examples right now at the health facility. We were able to partner with the city of Perkins to upgrade water and a new water tower lift station in the area around the clinic. And then in Chandler, Wellston, we've worked with the rural water district there to upgrade that water system.
We contributed $100 million to local water, sewer, infrastructure needs throughout the Choctaw Nation Reservation.
We also assist in projects for wastewater, drinking water type assistance for building that infrastructure. There's many things that we are touching on. We're going to expand our business in Oklahoma, as well as we're looking at healthcare facilities right now.
Whether we're talking about infrastructure dollars, whether we're talking about healthcare and patient visits, whether we're talking about one of our biggest cornerstones in the Cherokee Nation is education, those dollars matter to those communities.
They actually provide jobs, amenities, and other things for the communities in which they live in rural areas, but also in urban areas. So they're a great partner for the state of Oklahoma, and they're a great partner for rural Oklahoma.
The number one key in continuing to grow and contribute greatly in this state is really, I think, a partnership with the state, working together collaboratively toward a common goal, which is that Oklahoma is a thriving economy, that we are top in education, economic development, all of the things that will strengthen the state of Oklahoma.
The key going forward is continuing to collaborate and strengthen those relationships we have with the state and with our partners, and working together as one.
Partnerships are critical. All of us have limited resources. And the best thing that you can do is strategically align, develop a partnership, and agree upon the path that we can move forward.
When you got something good in Oklahoma's economy, doesn't matter where it's from, you would lean into it and help it grow. If it's aerospace industry, energy industry, manufacturing, if you want to grow it, you would work together to grow it. And I think that's what we're going to do. I think we need to look at them as an economic engine. Partnering with them, there's significant benefit for all Oklahomans.
When we are able to come together for a common purpose and a common goal, there's nothing we can't achieve.
Oklahoma thrives together.